What if creating YouTube Shorts was as easy as copy, paste, and click? With AI. Today we'll guide you on how to create professional videos easily. Welcome to our channel. Have you felt overwhelmed by complex software like Premiere Pro or Final Cut? The good news is, you don't need years of experience to create stunning videos anymore. With Pictory.ai, anyone can edit like a pro in just minutes. So, how does it work? Pictory uses the power of AI to make video editing simple and beginner-friendly. Instead of dealing with confusing timelines, all you have to do is upload your script, blog, or even a video file. The AI automatically picks visuals, adds captions, and syncs everything together for you. One of the best features is text-based editing. That means you can edit your video simply by editing the words on the screen. Delete a line of text, and the video clip disappears with it. No complicated cutting or trimming required. Want to make your video stand out? Pictory gives you access to millions of stock images and video clips, plus royalty-free music. You can also add your own branding, logos, colors, and fonts, so your videos look polished and professional. And here's a major bonus: automatic captions. Pictory generates subtitles instantly, which is crucial because most people watch videos without sound. This one feature alone can massively boost your engagement. The real advantage of Pictory is speed. What used to take hours of editing can now be done in less than 10 minutes. It's perfect for YouTubers, marketers, educators, or anyone who wants to publish content consistently. And you don't need to be tech-savvy. The platform is designed for beginners, but the results look like they were edited by professionals. So, if you've been holding back from creating videos because editing feels too complicated, it's time to let AI do the hard work for you. With Pictory.ai, professional video editing has never been easier or faster. Your journey to effortless video creation starts here. Enroll now in Transform Academy's Pictory.ai course on our website using the link in the description box. Like, share and subscribe for more learning content.